Welcome to DirectAdmin. Let's create a subdomain but in DirectAdmin. A subdomain allows you to create a separate section of your website such as a blog, store or landing page without purchasing a new domain name. It's a great way to organize content or launch new ideas under your main website. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a subdomain in DirectAdmin step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. The first thing you're going to do is to log into your DirectAdmin control panel on Telehosting using your login details. Once you're on the DirectAdmin dashboard, locate the Account Manager section. Click on Subdomain Management. Next, click the Add Subdomain button. In the subdomain field, enter the name you want, for example, blog, shop, or mail. Your full subdomain will automatically appear below, such as blog.yourdomain.com. Choose the document route where the subdomain files will be stored. DirectAdmin will automatically suggest a folder, and it's best you leave this as default unless you have a specific reason to change it. Once everything is set, click Add Subdomain. DirectAdmin will now create your subdomain. This process usually takes a few seconds. You can now upload websites to the subdomain folder using File Manager or install a website builder like WordPress. You can check out our previous videos on how to do this. And that's it. You've successfully created a subdomain in DirectAdmin. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need stellar hosting services. Also, subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy web hosting tutorials with Telehosting. See you in the next video.